Hooty hoo, all my stock market gamblers. Welcome. I'm Tall Mike. Today is Monday, October 26th. You know, Halloween's on Saturday this year, but it's scary today. It's scary on a Monday. The market is taking a big hit right now. We're down about 600 points on the Dow Jones as I'm doing this recording. Stock market, there was a day known as Black Monday. Now, a lot of you young people probably are not old enough to remember Black Monday. It happened October 19th, 1987. I was actually in the market at the time, and I took a big hit that day, a big hit. The market just free fell all day. It was a crash of October 1987. You can Google it if you're one of those young people. Anyways, this today, Black Monday, is it another Black Monday? Black Mondays happen in October, usually towards the end of October. I don't think it is. I think it's an opportunity today. Now, why do I think it's an opportunity? Well, I think we're going to get the stimulus package still pass through. I think that's going to happen relatively soon. Before the election, maybe. But what it was today that told me it's not Black Monday, I'll tell you the point, the secret. So I wake up and, everything's down. I knew everything was down from the futures market last night. It was Sunday. All the futures markets were downward pressure. But today, the market, it's trading right now, it's down 600 points. What is the stock that is up? I have a screen and I watch a lot of stocks. The one stock that is up is Apple Computer. What is Apple Computer? Apple Computer is the leader. It's the leader. The stock market is not going to go down if Apple Computer is up. Now, granted, we're taking a big hit today. Well, big hit, 600 points these days is not like 600 points back in 1987. In 1987, I didn't have a computer like this where I could just hit the sell button, sell, and I could hit the buy button, buy. No, you had to get on the telephone. You had to call up your broker, and you had to talk to him. And on Black Monday, the brokers weren't answering the phones. Well, actually, they were answering the phones. They were busy, though, because everybody wanted to get out of the exit at the same time. A very common problem in the stock market. When it goes down, it's going to be like an elevator down. We take the stairs up, but that elevator is just going to free fall when it goes down. Everybody's rushing for the exit at the same time. Now, is it time to exit? Personally, I don't think it is. I think this is an opportunity today. Now, let me show you why. I'll show you what I'm doing. What I'm doing is I'm buying the S&P call options. Okay, so the S&P, it's coming down right on the 50-day today, but, that's not bad. Yeah, if we get below the 50-day, we could drop to the 200-day down here at 310. But the S&P 500, the SPY at 340, it's holding pretty strong. This is just a normal day. 600 points now. Now we could extend into the later part of the day and be down 1,000, 2,000. Someday you're actually going to wake up and we'll probably be down 5,000 or 6,000. When the market crashes, it crashes hard. This is just a pullback. The market still knows that there's going to be stimulus coming of over $2 trillion. What happened when we put the $3 trillion in? Well, that happened back in last March, and the market was free falling. $3 trillion came. All of a sudden, we get that V-shaped recovery. The V-shape the president's talking about. Yes, there's a V-shape for the stock market, but there's not the V-shaped recovery for the economy. Don't get me wrong, the economy's in free fall. It's going to continue in free fall, but you can prop up a stock market with trillions of dollars entering into that market. Venezuela's done it. Argentina's done it. Their markets are high. But can you prop up the stock market? Yes, you can. And they're going to do it. I'm telling you, they're going to do it. This is not a market crash today. At least I don't believe it is. We're down 600 points. 600 points is just giving, it's just kind of like we're living a little Black Monday, not the big Black Monday, just a little Black Monday. So I'm buying calls on the S&P 500, and I'm buying them right here. Actually, I bought a couple right before this, and if we drop down some more, I'll probably add to it today. But I think we're going to bounce. I think this is an opportunity, a buying opportunity. Can I be wrong? Sure, I'm a gambler. This is not investment advice. It's what I'm doing. It's what I'm doing. Now, what else did I do today? Well, let's first of all take a look at this VIX. Now, today the VIX is screaming upward. We're above 30. We were down at 25, below 25. Now we're above 30. Okay, is that bad? It's not that bad yet. It's really not. We're not even above the 200-day moving average. Matter of fact, that 200-day right here is going to be resistance. Now, if we cut through it like butter, we're in trouble. But I don't think we will. I think the 200-day is going to hold. I think we're going to come back and retest the 50-day around $26, $27. So I think we're okay on the VIX. I don't think this is the crash. I just think this is the market throwing a little tizzy. It's not happy because we can't get a stimulus package out there. We can't get the Democrats and the Republicans to get the stimulus package out. And the market wants stimulus. The market's dead. It's like a dead drug addict, but we can shoot this heroin into the vein and get that drug addict back to life one more time. And we're going to do it. We're going to shoot that vein with heroin, the stimulus, and that market will dance one more time. And it'll be a big dance. It'll be a melt up, and then we're going to get the pullback. Just my opinions. But what else did I buy today? Anyways, I'm taking a shot on Microsoft, MSFT. Look at it. It looks just like the S&P 500. It's holding that 50-day moving average pretty strongly. $214. I bought some call options on it. We'll see. Maybe I'm wrong. If it breaks down, I'll take them off. I'll probably lose 50%. If we bounce, I'll double or triple. I bet you. Anyways, I just bought them for 2 weeks out. What is it, November 6th expiration or something like that. Just 2 weeks out. I'm giving them 2 weeks. Okay, I'm a short-term trader. I'm a gambler. Now, if you like this sort of stuff, I call myself a chartologist. Now, I know the word's chartist, but let me call myself a chartologist because it sounds really cool. It sounds almost like being a doctor or something. I'm a chartologist. Anyways, it's what I do. I study these charts, and it tells me where the market's going out into the future. And I think we're going to bounce from here. We're having a little Black Monday today, but I think we're going to bounce. And if you want to become a chartologist, if you want to know my secrets, just go to stockmarketgambler.com, put in your name and email. I'll give you my secrets for free. This stuff is fun. You might learn something. You might learn how to read some charts. I love doing it. And if you like this information, also hit that subscribe button. Give me a like today. Give me a like. Why not? But that's basically all I'm doing today. That's the only one. That was from before. I used to short Peloton. I'm out of that trade. I made some money in it, and I took my profits. But the S&P, I think we're going to bounce. I think we're going to bounce today. So that's what I'm doing, and it's going to be interesting to see how the market closes. If we continue to move down, get down 1,000 points or 2,000 points today, that's going to be a little scary. But I do think we're going to bounce from here. Down about 600 when I'm recording this. We'll see what happens. It's interesting. Anyways, I'm Tall Mike. Get out there and do some trading.